Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to insert a video in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to insert a video on. Now, there are multiple ways to insert a video in your Google site. First is the simplest one, which is adding a YouTube or a video from YouTube. To do that, just scroll down where you want to add your YouTube video. Then from the Insert tab, scroll down to YouTube and click on it. A new window pops up. You can either select or insert videos or a video from your channel, or search for the other people videos available on YouTube. For this video, I will add a video from my channel. Let's select this video, click on it with a single click and hit insert. And just like that, your YouTube video will be inserted to your Google site. If your video is on your computer and you want to insert it on your Google site, first upload it to Google Drive. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. First, upload it to Google Drive by going to drive.google.com. Click on this plus sign or new button, then select file upload. Locate your video on your computer. This is a short video that I will use for this tutorial. Double click it and it will start uploading to Google Drive. Now that the upload is complete, let's return to your Google site page, and now let's add or insert this video here. What you need to do is to, from the same insert tab, click on this drive element. A new window will slide in. Go to the recent tab and you will find the video you've just uploaded to Google Drive. Click on it like that with a single click and hit insert. And just like that, your Google Drive video or your video on Google Drive will be inserted in your Google site. Don't forget to save these changes by hitting this publish button. Click again on publish and let's view this website live. This is the video from my Google Drive. Even though it is hosted on Google Drive, it still uses the YouTube player. And let's search, and this is the video from YouTube. And this is how to insert a video in your Google site. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.